All right, welcome everybody from the state of Iowa trying to claim unclaimed property. If you can see, the web address that I gave you in the book or the booklet is a direct link to this page. And as you can see, Iowa has already returned $428 million in refunds in unclaimed property so far. So all you do simply is put your name, your last name here, first name here, hit search. It's going to be working, and it's going to verify your browser that you're not a spam bot. They try to really cut down on that and protect people's information. So here we go. John Smith is what I put in. And there are so many John Smiths. So what you have to do is you have to compare all the addresses. So you have to match your address that you're currently living at or any one of the previous addresses you've ever lived at in your entire life. It will tell you who it's from, the city you lived in, the refund that's due, and it's under $100. Now that may not seem like a lot, but here's one for over $100. Now that could be $101 or it could be $999 because they don't want a lot of people getting overexcited and trying to scam the state and take the money. So let's just do this one because it's over $100. You would simply hit the claim button and then you would follow along and you would hit the file claim at the bottom. It will show you what you're claiming. You're the sole owner. You lived at 86 Chapel Street in Mason City, Iowa. And this was from PayPal. In the drop-down menu, make sure you select yourself, your estate, a legal heir, surviving spouse, open or closed business. So I'm going to select myself because for this one I'm John Smith. Click continue. This is the only page really you're going to focus on the most. Fill out all the information that they ask for, especially with the red asterisks at the top left of each word. Very critical that you have that correct. Also, make sure you have your current mailing address on here so that when the check is ready to be sent out, it will be sent directly to you. So you fill this all out, you will receive a confirmation email with your claim ID number in it, which is important for when you upload stuff, you have to provide the claim ID. You will also be provided a direct link in the email to upload to this state. It won't go anywhere else. It's protected, it's secured, and that's what they're trying to battle against is all the fraud that's going on out there. Now, obviously, I am not John Smith. I'm not going to claim this. Had I moved forward on this, it might have blocked the claim from the real John Smith. And you don't want to do that. So congratulations. If you receive a claim, take a picture of the claim check and yourself and get in touch with me and mail it or email it to me or just instant message me.